How to share your Netflix account with your friends. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to guide you that how to share your Netflix account with your friends. So the process is very easy. You just have to follow me step by step, and let's dive into the video without wasting any time. So first you have to open your Netflix account, and here you can see that these are the slots that are available for me on my account. Now if I want to share these slots or Netflix account with my friends, I simply have to click edit on the top right corner, and I can just choose this pencil over here and rename the slot on my friend's name. And then I can just share the password and email for my account with my friend, and they can use the slot that I have just created. So that's the process that you can follow to do so. Click done. And I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.